Hey everyone, it's Lauren, lead charter agent with Nautic Ed Sailing Vacations. Today I'm here to help you navigate the various types of yacht charters available so you can plan the sailing adventure of a lifetime. We've booked hundreds of yacht charters, and this is a question we get quite often. So, this presentation will guide you through the key yacht charter types: bareboat, fully crewed, cabin charters, and flotillas. And I'll highlight their features, benefits, and what makes each ideal for specific types of travelers. By the end, you'll have all the insights you need to make an informed decision and ensure your time on the water is everything you've dreamed of and more. Choosing the right yacht charter is the first step towards creating an unforgettable sailing experience. Each charter type caters to different levels of sailing expertise, comfort, and personal preferences, offering unique ways to explore the sea. Let's start with a quick overview of the main types of charters. Broadly speaking, you'll find bareboat charters, fully crewed charters, and flotilla sailing. One of our most requested sailing options is the bareboat charter. This is where you rent a yacht without a crew, taking full responsibility for sailing, navigation, provisioning, and onboard management. It's the ultimate DIY sailing experience. Now, let's clear up a common misconception. It's not called a barefoot charter or a bareback charter. A bareboat charter simply means the boat comes without crew. You'll still have everything you need: sails, navigational equipment, galley supplies, and more. The bareboat charter option is ideal for experienced sailors who want to explore at their own pace. You and your group will handle everything. It's cost effective, flexible, and gives you total privacy. But to qualify for a bareboat charter, you'll need a sailing resume and, in some cases, an additional formal license. In terms of a sailing resume, what the charter companies are looking for is documented theory education, as well as past on the water experience on a similarly sized boat to that which you want to charter. Nautic Ed recommends a minimum of 50 days of on the water experience, plus the Bareboat Charter Master bundle of online courses. If you don't have a sufficient resume or are unsure about your readiness, consider taking some of Nautic Ed's online courses or gain practical skills through one of our global instructional partners. Alternatively, we can hire an instructional skipper, which we'll discuss shortly in more detail. For Mediterranean charters in the Seychelles, a formal license is required. The Nautic Ed SLC license is internationally recognized to satisfy this requirement. Another popular option at Nautic Ed Sailing Vacations is the bareboat charter with a hired skipper. This combines the freedom of renting your own boat with the peace of mind and expertise of a professional skipper. When you hire a skipper, they take full responsibility for all sailing related tasks. This option is great for groups with little or no sailing experience, or even experienced sailors who simply want to relax and let someone else take the helm. In the Caribbean, a cabin for the skipper is standard, whereas in the Mediterranean, skippers can often sleep in the forepeak, though they'll still require access to a bathroom facility. Keep in mind that as the guest, you're also responsible for provisioning for your skipper and providing a gratuity, which is customary. Hiring a skipper costs approximately $2,000 per week, but it's well worth it for the expertise, safety, local insights, and the chance to relax. Hiring a skipper is also a great opportunity for experiential learning. Nautic Ed really recommends this option for aspiring sailors. You don't have to wait until you're fully qualified to bareboat. If you're looking to build your sailing skills, your skipper can serve as a mentor, teaching you about navigation, docking, and other sailing techniques. Plus, you'll get hands on experience as to what it's really like to charter. It's like having a private instructor on board while still enjoying a vacation. Like a regular skipper, in terms of privacy, the skipper needs a dedicated sleeping area with access to a head. The cost of this option is higher than a bare boat alone, and even more than a bare boat with skipper, due to the instructional skipper fees, which range from $2,800 to $3,000 for the week. But the added expertise and hands-on instruction makes it well worth it. Another fabulous way to take your bareboat charter up a notch is to hire a hostess. We've done this several times now, and I'm not sure I could go back to provisioning, cooking, and cleaning myself on a charter. A hostess really does add a touch of hospitality to your sailing adventure by managing tasks like meal preparation, cleaning, and provisioning. This option is perfect for experienced sailors who are confident in managing the sailing themselves, but want some assistance with the more domestic aspects of the trip. So they have more free time to relax and enjoy the experience. Whether it's whipping up a fresh Mediterranean lunch, even sardines that we insisted on in Sardinia, tidying up after a day of adventure, or finding the best local markets to stock your galley, a hostess can make your trip more enjoyable and stress free. It's important to note that a hostess costs about 1,500 to 2,000 a week and will need her own space on board, typically a cabin, and in some cases, she may use the forepeak in the Mediterranean. You'll also need to cover her provisioning costs and gratuity, just as you would with a skipper. Overall, bareboat with a hostess option is particularly appealing for families or groups who want to focus on quality time together rather than managing the logistics of onboard life. If you're looking for an all inclusive luxury experience, a fully crewed charter is definitely the way to go. This option comes with a full professional crew, including a captain, chef, and sometimes additional staff like a stewardess or a deckhand. On a fully crewed charter, you don't have to lift a finger. The crew handles everything from sailing and navigation to cooking and hospitality. This option is perfect for those who want ultimate relaxation and five-star service. Imagine enjoying gourmet meals tailored to your preferences, personalized itineraries, and concierge level attention to every detail. To ensure everything is perfectly tailored to your desires, guests complete a preference sheet before their trip detailing food, drink, and activity preferences. Additionally, the Advanced Provisioning Allowance, also known as APA, which is typically 20 to 30% of the charter price, is prepaid, and this fee is used to cover expenses such as food, drinks, fuel, and dockage during the charter. So the only additional cost beyond the boat and the APA is the crew gratuity, typically based on the quality of services received. Now, fully crewed charter truly represents the ultimate in luxury, offering an unparalleled sailing experience that caters to your every need. For solo travelers or couples, a cabin charter is an excellent option. You book a private cabin, often with an ensuite bathroom, on a professionally crewed yacht, sharing the boat with other guests. Now, generally on a cabin charter, both a skipper and a hostess are included to handle sailing and hospitality to ensure a stress free and social experience. In some cases, only a skipper is on board, and guests contribute to a provisioning kitty to cover shared expenses like food and drinks. Now, cabin charters are only offered by a limited number of charter companies, and you're generally better off finding one as part of a flotilla, which we'll discuss shortly. They typically follow a fixed itinerary, wind and weather dependent, of course, allowing you to explore stunning destinations without the hassle of planning. Some cabin charters are designed for total relaxation, while others are presented as learn to sail or hone your sailing skills experiences, offering you an opportunity to develop your abilities under the guidance of a professional skipper. Nautic Ed often offers Learn to Sail by the Cabin as part of our flotillas, combining the benefits of structured sailing education with the camaraderie of a group adventure. A cabin charter option is an affordable option for couples or small groups, making it an ideal way to enjoy a yacht vacation on a budget while meeting new people. For those who want a mix of independence and community, consider flotilla sailing, a unique way to explore the open seas. A flotilla is a group of yachts sailing together along a pre planned route led by a professional lead boat crew. The lead boat provides navigational and route planning assistance, organizes activities, and ensures safety for the overall group. Why choose flotilla sailing? Well, it's perfect for sailors and non sailors who either wish to bareboat or reserve a cabin and who want to enjoy meeting new people, participating in group activities, or sharing anchorages with fellow sailors. They offer a structured and secure way to navigate unfamiliar destinations, so they're a great choice for those new to the area or new to sailing. At Nautic Sailing Vacations, we offer numerous flotilla options every year in some of the world's most stunning destinations. Whether you want to rent your own boat or book a cabin, there's a flotilla experience tailored to your preferences. You can join us in locations like the Caribbean, Greece, Croatia, and more, enjoying the freedom of exploring these destinations with the guidance and camaraderie of a professional flotilla group. Flotilla sailing by renting your own boat offers the perfect balance of independence and support. You sail your own yacht along a pre planned route with the reassurance of a professional flotilla leader providing guidance, local knowledge, and assistance as needed. Group dinners, shared anchorages, and optional on land activities add a social and fun element, making planning effortless. This option is ideal for hands on sailors who want the adventure of skippering their own boat while enjoying the peace of mind of expert support. With Nautica Sailing Vacations, we'll match you to the perfect flotilla and yacht, ensuring every detail is handled for an unforgettable experience. Or if you love the idea of flotilla but prefer to leave the sailing to someone else, renting a cabin on a yacht is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for solo travelers or couples who want all the fun of a flotilla without the responsibilities of managing a boat. Relax while the crew, usually a skipper and hostess, handle sailing, docking, provisioning, and cooking. Enjoy a social adventure as you share the journey with other guests, building friendships and memories. With no certifications or sailing experience required, all you need to do is show up and enjoy the ride. To help you see the differences between the various charter options, I've put together a comparison table that breaks down key aspects like crew involvement, guest responsibilities, experience requirements, cost, privacy, and the overall level of service. This table is designed to make it easy to compare options like bareboat charters, bareboat with optional crew, fully crewed charters, cabin charters, and the two types of flotilla sailing. For instance, bareboat charters offer full independence but require experience, while fully crewed charters provide five-star service with no responsibilities. Ultimately, this table is a great tool to help you identify which option aligns with you and your group's preferences, sailing experience, and budget. Whether you want adventure, luxury, or social connections, there's a perfect choice for everyone. Choosing the right yacht charter is all about matching your skills, preferences, and expectations. Here are some tips. Match your skills to the charter type. Experienced sailors who enjoy the challenge of skippering should opt for a bareboat charter. If you're new to sailing or prefer guidance, consider hiring a skipper or booking a fully crewed charter. Second, consider your group's preferences. For privacy and flexibility, bareboat charters or private crewed options are ideal. Solo travelers or couples seeking social experiences will enjoy cabin charters or flotillas, where group activities and shared dinners foster camaraderie. Budget wisely. Bareboat charters are typically the most cost effective, while hiring a skipper, hostess, or opting for a fully crewed charter adds convenience and luxury. Cabin charters and flotillas offer a balanced option, combining comfort and affordability. Choose your adventure. Hands on explorers will love the independence of bareboat charters or renting a boat in a flotilla. For a fully catered experience with gourmet meals and personalized service, a fully crewed charter or cabin charter is perfect. At Nautica Sailing Vacations, we do all the heavy lifting to ensure your sailing experience is unforgettable. From booking and reservations to finding the perfect yacht and crew if needed, we handle all the details so you can focus on enjoying your adventure. Whether you're planning a bareboat charter, hiring a skipper, opting for fully crewed, or joining a flotilla, we provide expert guidance tailored to your skills, preferences, and destination. Let Nautic Ed handle the details so you can embrace the freedom, beauty, and unforgettable moments of life on the water on your personalized yacht charter.